Smoking sous vide sommelier-ish. Ukulele, ukulele J.
Hi everybody, please apply your Greek seasoning to your chicken breast. Then I create a vacuum seal bag with my Vac Master, making sure the chicken is sealed tightly inside the bag. You don't want any air as you submerge your chicken into the sous vide. When the sous vide is done, you're going to remove the chicken from the sous vide machine, lay your bags out, and prepare to take them out of the bags. You'll then want to remove them and dry them off very well so there's no moisture on the chicken. This will help with the sear. I use avocado oil as it doesn't burn on medium-high heat, and I use my hex-clad pan to get an incredible sear. No mayo needed here. Then, when I'm done with the chicken, I plate it up for a wonderful, wonderful dinner. You can look at that juicy chicken breast. Here we go. Enjoy your meal.
Smoking sous vide sommelier-ish. Ukulele, ukulele J.